and what we've got today. Oh, it's so exciting, I can hardly contain myself. I mean, it's the new Blue Fans Captain America Civil War new full slip Steelbook. And, well, I've been waiting for this for such a long time. And, well, I don't normally get full slip steelbooks, but normally I get lenticular. But I think, as you're going to see, I made the right decision with this full slip steelbook. So, well, what people often ask me is, what does full slip mean? Well, full slip just means basically that you get, this is called the slip cover, and the slip cover covers all of the steelbook. So there you can see the full slip. This is the front. Now I'm going to try and show you this, and what you can see is that there is some embossing on that full slip. Very nice. You can see there's a nice shiny effect there on the Marvel logo. You can see the shiny effect there, and then you can see Iron Man, Captain America Man. There's his shield. Very nice. And there's the side. The side of the spine of the full slip. Captain America Civil War. That's the Blue Fans Collector's number there. I think I can't read it. Number 37 or something. I don't know. You can see. Oh, there you can see there. They are fighting. And again. I'll bring it a little bit closer so you can see that. You can see that it's got some shiny effect on there and some embossing, debossing. Oh, very nice effect on the full slip cover. Very nice full slip cover. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the steelbook out the packaging. There we go. I'll put that down there. We'll go through the extras first, and then I'll show you the steelbook. So this was the I don't know really what you want to call that. I mean that's no, it's not a certificate. Yeah, it's not a certificate. It's what they put on the back of the slip cover. And it was taped to it. But there you can see it's the same picture there as on the back of the slip cover. Same picture, there you go. Oh, yeah, very nice. And then in here, this is where you get the certificate. Collector certificate. Collector certificate. There you go. Iron Man, stay down, final warning, Captain America, I can do this all day. Blue fans, the collector's number down there. Collector's number out of 1,000 down there. And on this side, not very much. There we go. Now put that over there. And then I'm going to show you this. Well, that's just it's not as waxy. It's not too bad. There you can see this is the envelope. And well, what have we got in this lovely envelope? There we go. In here we have the collector's postcards. There we go. We can see Captain America. Angel something. Him with the metal arm. Don't know who that is really. Archangel. Oh, Hawkeye, sorry. That is the other Iron Man type thing. I don't know. Black Widow. Oh, we like Black Widow. Oh, we do like him. That's somebody else. Black Widow. Vision. Black Widow. Vision. And then we have Iron Man. Black Widow, Iron Man. I don't know if you can see this. They've got a nice kind of shiny, foilish type effect on those postcards. You know, very nice, really. Not too bad. Very nice. A nice little collecting addition there to that. Yeah. I won't put them in there. I'll put them over here. Now we come to the real exciting thing. This is the Blue Fans exclusive worldwide steelbook. This is the Blue Fans exclusive worldwide steelbook. There we go. It's a very nice steelbook. You can see most of the Avengers and their friends on the cover there. And then let's get a bit closer to that so you can see the embossing of the Civil War logo. It's a bit of a strange finish, really. It's not glossy, it's not matte, it's kind of metallic finish. I like it, but I don't know how much I like it. But I do like it, so I think it's alright. There we go, onto the back. There we see them. Oh, they're getting very close, aren't they? Well, I hope none of them have bad breath on. And you can see, actually, it's quite exciting because you have in here debossing. Debossing on the back. Can you see the debossing on the back? We're excited still. We're going to look at the spine. Oh, we're going to do the spine last today. That's a bit different, isn't it? There we go, spine. Spine. See the spine. And then we're going to turn this up. Right, are we all ready to open it? Are we ready? Here we go, there we have. The boo stickers. This is the sticker that came on the front cover. We do like our stickers. There, blue fan sticker. Made out. This is the first disc, the 3D multi-region disc. Nice picture disc. Very nice picture disc. There's the next one. That's the 2D disc. And there you can see the real big face off. Real big face off. So, you know, I do like this steelbook. I do think the finishing could have been a little bit better. But we are spoiled by blue fans, aren't we? So, you know, again, we're not going to get too silly about it. No, we're not going to get silly. And now, if you see here, I thought I'd show you the other blue fans releases together. These are the steelbooks together. Very nice collection, aren't they? They go really nice together there. But see them disguised together. Not that I would ever display it that way because I don't really think that's the thing to do. Nice. And maybe I'm going to try and reach over here and get these slip covers together. Here were the first two blue fans there, the particular cover, and then we have here the other cover, the full slip cover. Very nice together, aren't they? We'll look at the spines. There we have it. I've not been so excited about Steelbook in a long time. And that's it. So, goodbye everybody!